Okay, so this is a puzzle box that I made for my daughter a couple of years ago. I'm going to show you how it works. It's got a lock, but you can't open the top. There's no way of opening the top. Of course, you can get into it if you took screws out of the hinges or out of the bottom, but we're going to pretend that that's not there. So you got to figure something out. So you have a slide here, and that allows you in the bottom, it's a little finger hole, pull out a drawer. So that's one secret. So now, if you notice in the front, we have a slide. That slides over. Now on the side, you have another slide. And that reveals a little pocket. So what can you do with that? Well, if you look on the drawer, you have a little tool or key that you put in a little secret slide. And when you push, you watch here, the key is revealed. So now, let me put things back. We can open the top. Ta-da! So, we're not quite done. If you use the key, there's a hole in the center that pushes up a false bottom with a little more hidden compartment. Well, you can see there's still another drawer on this side that can't come open because there is a tiny pin here. Now we can pull that drawer open. And that's it.